Guys, I'm so excited because I am doing a vlog today. I ordered some really cheap lav mics off Amazon. It had really good reviews, and so my audio in my video has been struggling more or less. And so I wanted to get something for better audio, but I also did not want to invest a lot into this because that's how I live my life. I didn't want to invest a lot of money into these mics just yet, especially because I'm just starting out with this whole YouTube thing. So let's hope that they work. Excited. I can't wait to open it and test it out. I also ordered some extra batteries because my camera keeps dying super quickly because I'm recording video. I mean, the battery has never been really great on this camera, to be honest, but it's been fine. But now that I'm recording videos, I need some extra batteries. But before I do that, let's go get some Whataburger. Oh no, look at this line. This is no good. So close, yet so far away.
Thank you for the Whataburger. How may I help you?
Hi, yes, can I get a... And that'll be all. Thank you. No, I don't.
No problem. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. It's the circle. A whole Whataburger later. It's time for the grand reveal. All right. We got the batteries first, and we got ooh, I'm excited about these. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the batteries because I really need to start charging these. Ooh, I got that expensive packaging. Ooh. Ooh, yes. I am super excited about these because whenever I am charging my batteries, so this is the Neewer, is that how you even say it? I don't know. It's a Neewer battery pack. This is for an NP-FW50 type of battery. Wait, that sounds wrong. Hold on. Does it say it on here? NP-FW50, I got it right. It has this little guy, so I can charge the battery. I can charge 2 batteries at once. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna break it first. Oh, okay. Ah, so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and couch. In here. There's that. Can't wait to start using that. And now for the microphones. Is there a way to open this? Oh, just set it up. Ooh. Ah. It's a nice little, like velour pouch. It's fancy. Cool. So it gives me what the contents are and a warning, do not return to the retailer. Oh, Amazon, got it. All right. So let's go ahead and unpackage this. Make sure everything's here. Yes. And, oh my gosh, that's stuck. Oh, I feel so official. All right, so we got, it's supposed to come with 2 mics. So here's one lavalier mic. Hold on. Here is mic 2. This one has the little thing on it already, which the other one must have fallen off in here. There it is. Got it. Ah, look at that. This set of 2 lavalier mics was $20. And for the quality, like, this is metal. It doesn't feel cheap at all, which is really nice. Cool. So, got my mics. And then I'm supposed to have got my storage pouch as well. This is a 4 to 3 pin adapter. Okay, sure. This is the Y connector, so I can use both mics at once. It's like a little splitter. This one, oh gosh, is the 4 to 3 pin adapter. Got it. Okay, and then it comes with extra little foam mic covers, whatever they're called. Cool, and then these 2 things, they're the same. They're the extension cords for the mics. So, that being said, I cannot wait to try it out and see if they work. I like that it came with this little cord wrap. Hate when my cords get all crazy. So this is a pretty long cord. I don't know how long it is, but it's pretty long already. But if I was sitting right here, that would be a stretch for my camera. So I would definitely need to use an extension. And so I think a good, this is good because I'm recording the audio with just my camera right now, and you're gonna be able to hear the difference with this mic. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug the mic into the extension. Oh my gosh, that sounded weird. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Look, okay, so this is the extension. It's pretty long. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plug the mic into the camera. So let me do that now. I hope that my camera has a mic port. So I got it hooked up. I'm gonna push this through like so and such as. And there should be a better way to clip this, but I need to look up a video on that. It's like I didn't work in news or something and did this. So I'll put that right there for right now. How's the audio? I don't know yet until I work with the footage later. I was having some technical difficulties because I was trying to plug the microphone directly into the camera with this. And apparently it does not work that way. It probably says it in the instructions, to be honest. Yep, please use the adapter included in the pack for PC, laptop, or camera. And I was not doing that. So that little piece that I showed you, it's the 4 to 3 pin adapter. It's the second to last one right there. I had to plug that piece into the camera and then plug the other microphones, the extension cord and the mic into that. So that way it'll start recording the sound, because it was not recording any sound. So didn't know that, had to look up some YouTube videos. But then finally I was like, maybe I should just use this thing that I came with, and it worked. So here's the splitter for when I want to use 2 mics instead of just 1. Got some things planned for filming with Davina. Excited about that. And then it comes with more of these little guys. So hopefully you can hear the difference. When I'm recording here in the apartment, our apartment's a little echoey, so I know that the camera has picked that up quite a bit. That, and then there's like neighbors stomping around, there is dogs outside barking and stuff. And so I'm hoping that with these mics that just eliminates all of that. In my last video that I did when I was editing your photos, there was some moments where I was talking really softly, and I wish I had these mics because it would have been able to pick up all those little side comments that I was making as I was editing. So sorry about that audio in that video, just to say that. So real quick, I just want to do like an audio test. So here's testing. This is me talking regularly. This is me talking softer if I'm just making a comment to myself. This is me talking a little bit louder if the environment's loud. And I want to go and test this out in different settings too. So let's go. All right, so I came out into the hallway because it is super echoey out here. And so I wanted to see if the lav mic does well in this type of environment. So this is gonna be what it sounds like with the lav mic on, and I will unplug it from the camera and so you can see what it sounds like without it when I'm using just the camera's audio. So this is what it sounds like with just the internal microphones, and maybe there's a difference or maybe not. All right, so my next test is outside. It is actually super windy today, and so this is perfect because now I'll get to test if the mics are good in windy situations. So I'll just walk around and we will do some wind shots. I don't want to walk around too much because I am talking to myself. Okay. This is windy. Oh, look at the puppies. So cute. It's so cute. All right, and so this is going to be with the internal microphone of the camera. It's still pretty windy, and I'm pretty sure it's picking that up because it is actually very windy. I've never actually filmed outside because of this very reason, although I will say in Texas it doesn't get too windy, so I've been fine for the most part, but it would be nice to know if filming outside is an option for me or not. All right, so there you have it. Sound off in the comments below if you would also purchase these mics. I don't know if I would even purchase these mics because I don't know what the audio sounds like yet. So we will see once I edit this video. The brand of these microphones is called Solid, and I got a 2-pack of them for $20 off Amazon. Hey guys, Editor Philip here. Just want to say I have edited the video, I've listened to the audio, and I will say I am pretty impressed with these mics. So I would actually recommend them. The only thing is that obviously you shouldn't be standing in a wind tunnel, but why would you be standing in a wind tunnel if you're recording video? That's probably not the best place to be recording a video. So, but even then, I filmed another video and it was pretty windy, and I was looking at that footage and it sounded pretty good still, even though it was windy. It sounded a lot better than the microphones that I have that are built into the camera. So I would recommend them. And also just bear with me because I know that in some of the video I'm like talking away from the mic, and so it's just, I gotta get used to this life, but so far so good. Also, I will say all of this in this video is going to be raw sound. I haven't done anything to the video. Since ordering these mics, I've actually looked up how to edit the audio, which sounds kind of dumb because I should have looked that up before, but I didn't. And so I found ways to improve both the audio that you get from your camera, as well as audio that I would get from this lavalier mic. So I feel like I probably could have improved my audio had I just looked up some videos, but I am still thankful to have it because sometimes if I am filming away, I do make some side comments and the internal microphones of the camera won't pick that up. So I'm still thankful to have these, and I don't regret my purchase. So guess who is not returning these? Me. Also, I went on Amazon. I was going to leave the information for the lav mics in the description below this YouTube video. When I bought them, they were $20.99 and they've already gone up to $24.99, which isn't a huge jump, but I feel like the more people know about this, the more they're gonna go up in price because I think they're pretty great mics. I don't know much about sound, so I'm sure my audio engineer friends, my one friend, will say otherwise, but for me, they're great. So yeah, jump on it if you are needing some mics. Well guys, that's all for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you liked this video / made it to the end. As always, follow me on Instagram at PhilAdcoPhoto for updates as to when I'm coming out with new videos. All of this in this video is going... Also, did I press record?
Yes.
Okay.